Okay, we have the bottom all ready, all screwed in, and now we need to do this part. So the tricky part, well, first of all, we're using different metal, which really wasn't made for roofing, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work. And I think now that I think about it, I think I removed the nails along that edge. So I think what I'll do is see how far I can slide a piece in there. And then I may have to remove that screw down there in that corner. And maybe that one up there. Maybe not though. So let me go get a piece, let me get a measurement. And then if we get that first piece in, the others should go much better. So that's where we're at. And it's looking good. Let's get to work.